Let's start the antineoplastic drugs. So, antineoplastic drugs used to treatment of the cancers means cancer chemotherapy types of the drugs are the antineoplastic types of the drugs. So, what happen in case of the cancers? You all know the cancer is the abnormal growth of the cells. Okay, and cancer is not a disease, but actually a group of disease affecting the different organs and the system of the body, and it is deals with the study, and the science is called as oncology, in which we study the these types of the uh, treatments and uncontrolled growth of the cells. So during the normal growth, a cell of the an organism required rate is slow or normal, but if it is affected at that times, that growth is suffer, and cell is multiplying by the uncontrolled rates. Okay, so at that times higher rate than the normal cell divisions, which is leading to the formation of the tumor, and this is called as the malignancy of the cells. And tumor can develop anywhere on the surface or in the interior part of the body, and all the tumors are not a cancer. There are two types of the tumors generally. One is the benign type of tumors, and another is the cancerous types of the, that is the malignant tumors. So non-malignant tumors and the malignant tumors, these are the two types of the cancer. So what is the definition of the cancer? The term used for a disease in which the abnormal cell divide without the control and are able to invade other tissues, and cancer cells spread to the other parts of the body through the blood and the lymph systems. So cancer is not just one disease, but many diseases. So more than 100 different types of the cancers are there. Okay. Generally, they are fall in the category of the cancerous cancers. And what are the general causes of the cancers? Also there are different types of the cancer. That is a and different types of the cancer dealing with the different types of the treatments. So there are general treatment are the surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, okay, immunotherapy, hormone therapy, targeted therapy, or stem cell therapy. These are the general treatments. So what are the causes of the cancer? So it may be caused due to the some genetic disorder, which may be the transfer from the parent to the child, or environmental pollutions is also responsible for the cancer due to the smoke or automobile emissions, industrial effluents. Sometimes the exposure to radiations like the X-ray or the UV rays also responsible for the cancers. Sometimes the certain metazoic parasites and viruses also responsible for the cancer. Excessive secretion of hormones also lead to the formation of the tumors, that is the malignant tumors which lead to the cancer. Constant or chronic physical irritations of any tissue of the body is also responsible for the cancer. So chewing of the pan, tobacco, as well as the smoking cigarettes is also responsible for the cancers. So number of reasons for the cancers. Okay, and for that purpose, yeah, we are having the different treatments, therapies. Okay, which is depends upon the types and severity of the disease, severity of the cancers cells. In this case, generally the most commonly the chemotherapy are generally preferred. Okay, immuno, and in the chemical therapy, the patients are treated with the some of the chemicals. Okay, and that chemicals burns that tumor cells. Some types of the surgery also preferred, means the cancerous cells can be removed by surgery, but this is not a permanent solutions and permanent cure, as some cells may remains behind and that may in future may multiply to cause again the cancers. So surgery is not a permanent solutions. Next is radiation therapy. In this case, the cancerous cells are destroyed by the uh, lethal radiations like the X-ray or the gamma radiations, etc. And however, the radiations may also be damage the normal healthy cells also. So having the side effect also. In case of the chemotherapy, treatment is carried out with the chemical compound drugs. Okay, and this produces the relief from the pains and increase the survival times and prevent the spreading of diseases and temporary disappearance of the tumors. So immunotherapy is also there. Okay, in the immunotherapy, immunostimulant, okay, immunostimulators, okay, that stimulate the immune systems by increasing activity of any of these components, means the specific immunostimulant, non-specific immunostimulants. These are given. Sometimes vaccines are given. Okay, so vaccines are the most commonly employed immunostimulants, and vaccines are used to stimulate uh, the protective immune response and to antigens from the specific pathogens. So there are numbers of the immunostimulants are there. Okay, immunodepressant be also there in case of the immunotherapy. Okay,